Okay, the Xceleron blog. Let's talk about adding a new blog post. Pretty standard. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Let's go ahead and click Add New. Let's see. Let's give it a new name. A blog post here. Here's your title. Here's my content. Make sure I choose a category, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. Add a couple tags. Okay, go ahead and set my featured image, and that featured image is this image that shows up right here. Let's see, I'm going to use one from my media library, an existing one already. Let's see, shaking hands, that'll work. Make sure I select use as featured image, not use this image, but use as featured image. Okay, I'm set. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Alright, let's check the front end. Let's refresh. Make sure we got our post there. There we are. There's our post. Now what you'll notice is the blog functionality for Xceleron automatically creates your read more. It's so many characters, so you're not inserting a read more button. You do not have the option of making 4 or 5 paragraphs, then having the image show up. It's going to automatically be set by the WordPress theme itself for Xceleron. So if you need to change that, you'll have to do that in the post.php file. Also, the tags are in the sidebar right here. So if you're wondering where tags are or why you're creating or selecting tags over here and where they're at, it's in the sidebar widget. Okay? Next, what I want to show you is this options panel right here, this little options section. Okay? Now, what this is the slider on the home page right here. This little area, this featured area right here. This is pulling from blog posts. And I'm actually going to cover this in another video, I think in the widget video. But what we can do is choose any number of predetermined blog posts to show up in here. All I have to do is select Show on Homepage slider. Go ahead and update this real quick. Refresh it. Okay, so here we are. Here's our blog post. That's now showing up on the home page. Now, another thing you'll notice is this page title. I'm going to cover that in another section as well, but just in case you're wondering, page title is what shows up right here on your other pages. Let me see if I can quickly find one so you know what I'm referring to. Alright, let's see, business development. Okay, right here. See this block? This little block of text? If you put a title here, it's going to show up on this page, assuming that you have this image set here. And again, I'm going to cover that in another video, but just so you're wondering about this page title. Now, also with this options, you can either choose from pages or you can choose from posts to show up on the home page in this section. Meaning you would select the widget to either show posts or pages. You cannot show posts and pages. You have to select one or the other. Either it's a post or it's a page that this section is going to feed. Alright? And to do that, what I want to do is come to Widgets. And on the home page, under Home, Featured Block 2, see this post page slider? Right there. See where I'm selecting Show Posts. So I'm pulling from posts. If I select pages, now I can choose a page to show up in that section. But right now for this particular demo site, I prefer posts. And just to make that change, I click Save. So again, for this area right here to show up, you need to either choose posts or you need to choose pages. And then when you're making that post or page, you need to make sure you select it if you want it to show up on the home page, which you do in the options panel right here, Show and Home Page slider. Okay, that is it for the blog tutorial.